How to turn off voicemail on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and further scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for apps. Tap on it and scroll down again and navigate to phone and tap on it. Further, scroll down again and you will see the option for live voicemail. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for live voicemail, and with this, voicemail will be disabled. So, this is how you can turn off voicemail on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.